What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Show You How. And guys, today I'll be showing you how to fix PS4 controller analog stick lag and sprinting. Alright, so for this method, you do not need to take your PS4 controller apart, and you don't need your PS4 controller on for right now. But after you do this method, I want you to turn your PS4 controller on just to check to make sure it works. So in order to do this method, what you need to do is you need to get the left analog stick, which you run with, or either the right stick, but mostly people use the left stick, but if you customize it, you have the right. But I use the left stick. So what you need to do is you need to pop that out. So what I'm going to do, if you listen quietly, you can hear the pop when you pull it up. So it's a tiny pop if you can hear it. But all you have to do is pop that up right there, and once it pops up, what you need to do is you need to get the left analog stick and what you run with, and you need to do this. Look, you need to blow into this part on the top part, the left side, the right side, and on the bottom part. So let's do this. Blow into that, and then you can change it to the left side and change it to the right side, and then change it to the bottom side, and just repeat this another time. You can do this twice and it should work for you. But if it doesn't, just do it 3 times. But it should work. I'm telling you guys, it should work. Just pop it out and blow it from the top, the bottom, the left side, and the right side. And you can do this the same method for the right stick, but this video is just for the left stick. But you can do it the same on both sides. And if you can see it, you see how this right here, the left side looks taller than the other side because it was popped it up. So let me see if I can pop this one up. Well, you might be able to pop this up, but in order to do the right stick, all you have to do is just blow into this part and blow into that part. But yeah, that's pretty much it. How you fix the analog stick, the lag, and the sprinting on there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go ahead and drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you turn on that post notification bell to get notified for every upload on my channel. And we'll be back to show you how.